Ever noticed how German sounds kinda intense? You hear butterfly in different languages? Sounds elegant, right? Then comes German. Schmetterling. Why does it sound like a battle cry? It's not that German is angry, it's just structured differently. Harsh consonants like sh, kr, and ak make words sound sharper. Plus, Germans speak clearly and forcefully. No unnecessary fluff. But here's the twist. German can be soft too. Ever heard ich liebe dich? I love you. So, is German aggressive or just misunderstood? What do you think? Let me know in the comments.